Yeah.
So this is the place. My boss is turning his house to a farm. So guys, take us to, let's see. This is the salt lick here.
Yeah, this is a salt lick. This is what normally I use for injection.
Okay.
Because normally if they can't see their back, it's safer for you to inject them
Okay.
from the neck or from you can even stand here and inject. So after doing this, I just felt like why don't I just drill here with a drilling machine and put a longer iron rod 60 inches and I will put in the salt on them for that so they can
How strong is this one?
very very strong.
Okay.
It has gone down very well. It's more than 4 feet or 5 feet down.
Okay.
Yeah, more. So it's very strong. You can see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So the salt lick.
yeah. So this is something for them. And anybody could live any size, at all, even the sheeps.
Okay.
Yeah, anybody at all. With the size, it's okay for you to stretch.
So what's the plan now? How you are trying to increase the number?
The plan now is to increase the number here to 30.
Okay.
Yeah, to 30. That for now it's 14. So it's about increasing another 16 young ones. That's how I'm constructing this site for the young cows.
Okay.
So we could keep around 4 there or 5 there. Add the rest. The different sizes.
So here will be
Here will be shade
okay.
for them when it's during the dry season. They could all lie down here. This is just a shade.
Okay.
We'll be extending the shade to somewhere here. So
Okay.
it will be a longer shade for almost all of them. So they could have a shade during the hot seasons to just lie down for fresh air. So that's how we are completing all the sites for them. Yeah,
The feedlot will be extended.
all the feedlots will be extended. All the feedlots. All the feedlots will be extended. And the feedlots there, they are made. You can see we have even sinks all around. We have the ones for bow and all that. The feedlot, all this side will be feedlots.
Okay. So
So
it's
we
going
use
to be a long.
feedlot. So even if the number is 40 or 50, they could all feed at the time.
Some
Yes.
using the same, some using this place.
And some using the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the young ones will be there.
The young ones will be there to be feeding well.
Okay.
Yeah, to be feeding well. So this is how I've turned this part of the house into a farm.
Okay.
Yeah. So all that you need to be doing is to be vaccinating the place, to be spraying around for mosquitoes. You could see when you came here, you can't see flies around. Yeah, you could be asking yourself like, where are the flies? Yeah, there should be flies.
So you clean this place every day.
Every morning. So you can see there are no fleas here. Every time, that's why the shovels are around. If you are walking and you see fleas, you have to come and pick it up. Put it there.
Okay.
So when it's full, you see there's a thing there. So all the things, once it drops, it should be picked. Once it drops, it should be picked. So this side, this building is all meant for the sheep and the goats.
Okay. That one is for the boat.
And the sheep.
And the sheep.
This long structure. So
They are together at one place.
no, but some of them just, they are too stubborn and they just come out from this side.
Okay.
Charlie, man, want me to.
Okay.
Like you see, so this is where the sheep and the goats normally rest in the evenings.
Okay.
Yeah, and the goats, they do you see the goats, they normally want to climb.
Yeah.
So some of them climb, you can see their face there.
Yeah. And this is for the sheep.
The sheep.
So how many sheep are you having so far?
So far, so they are around 12 in number.
Okay.
There were many there for sheep there because I did sooner not long ago for my baby girl.
Okay.
Yeah, so we slaughtered most of them for my sooner in the house.
So we have done. We are, okay, not done. We are doing goat, sheep, and cattle.
And cattle.
Which one is more profitable?
For me, I will tell you is the cattle.
Is the cattle.
Yeah, it's the cattle.
So what's the difference between goat, sheep, and cattle? They're rearing.
The rearing, the sheep eat more.
Okay.
Hey, sorry, the cows eat more. The cattle feed on more.
Okay.
But the goats and the sheep, they feed on normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They easily get satisfied.
Yeah, they easily.
But these guys, they don't get satisfied. They can eat the entire day.
Yeah, that's why they eat here 24/7.
Okay.
Because for here, they eat 24 hours.
Okay.
Since we came, I've showed you how
Yeah.
the procedure is. They will go and feed in the yard in the mornings around 11, 12. Zikiri will go to bush.
Okay.
on the mountains.
Okay.
They will come back in the evening around 6 to 7. They come and feed on blue skies, and in the evening, from evening around 6 to 7 till the next morning around 8,
Okay.
they'll be feeding on the bow, the blue skies, and the moths in the house throughout the evening. So throughout the morning will be for grass, and throughout the evening will be for.
So you are doing something different. They will be getting fat.
Yeah.
They will be getting exercise.
Yeah.
At the same
You are
time.
blending all.
So you are blending all. So
together.
at the end of the day, the meat won't be the only fat.
Yeah, and the animal too could stay for a very long time.
Okay.
Because we saw the size of the yard.
Yeah.
They could be running inside. They are during the dry season when you are walking, you could see them running.
Yeah.
All true. Yeah. So they are always exercising.
They need exercise.
Yeah.
And they need more grass.
Yeah, they need more grass. So they feed on more grass too.
Okay.
Yeah, I try to make them feed on more grass than even eating the fruits.
Okay.
Because they feed on more grass during the day. And even with the fruits and the malt and the cassava peels, they only come for that during around 6 to 7 p.m. after bush. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the procedure here.
So that's for the night. Like
yeah, that's
you
for the
eat
night.
it for the night.
Yeah, throughout the night. So the night I'm always with them.
Okay.
Yeah. I normally sit here in the evenings.
Now you're watching them.
Then I'll be watching them. So I know who doesn't feed well in the evening.
Okay.
Yeah, who doesn't feed well with the moths.
Okay.
Who likes the blue skies more, who likes the fruit more.
Okay.
And who likes fight.
Okay.
You can see here, you can see the white one is beating somebody right now.
So you have to separate them when they are fighting.
Yeah, so that's why they are pegs.
Yeah.
So when I feel like you are fighting too, I'll just put the rope on you and just tie you here. So you can't go, but still you can feel your feet.
Okay.
Yeah. So
But
the
you
pegs,
can't disturb others.
no.
Okay.
The pegs has been stationed where all the feedlots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's another structure that we are using. I know most people have their own structures, but this is mine. This is what I use each and every day.
Yeah, but there are different ways of doing things.
Yeah.
You all can't do something similar all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
You just learn from each other,
Yeah.
then you implement it.
Yeah, yeah.
And they are doing great. If I had known that you have goats, I would have allowed you, tell you to kill one.
Okay, before you came.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we could have done something. Eat some, chop some, because
Oh, but immediately you got here and wife knew you got here, they took cow meat from the fridge and they were preparing something for you.
so there's something.
there's
Hey
something.
guys, I'm here. Hey, I'll show you videos. We are going to eat cow meat. Yeah, I like meat too. But raw food. Oh, guys, today I'll show you video. We are going to eat together.
Oh, don't worry.
We are going to eat together. Once I arrived,
yeah, from
there will
Blue
be-
Skies, you expect the video of
oh, guys,
I
don't
want to
worry.
eat good junior rice and stew. Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I love my job.
Oh, Eric, go in and pick us. Can I say, yeah, I'm going to So that's their water system. Yeah.
Just take this thing.
Okay.
No,
So,
wait,
yeah.
Wait, front.
Now this thing is called. So, one of you should have been now